In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Outlook preview pane layout. If you want to make your Outlook inbox easier to read and navigate, adjusting the preview pane, also called the reading pane, is a great place to start. This setting controls where your email content appears when you click a message, and changing it can help you create a layout that feels more comfortable and efficient for the way you work. To begin, go to Mail in Outlook. Make sure you're in the main mail area where you can see your inbox and your messages. This is important because the layout settings we're changing are part of the mail view, not the calendar or other Outlook sections. Once you're in Mail, click on View. The View menu is where Outlook keeps display and layout options. So this is the section you'll use anytime you want to customize how your inbox looks on screen. If you've never explored this menu before, it's a useful place to remember because it gives you control over how information is organized and displayed. After that, click on Reading Pane. This option opens the settings related specifically to the email preview area. The Reading Pane is the section that lets you read a message without having to fully open it in a separate window, which can save time when you're going through your inbox. Now, select your preferred layout. Depending on the available options in your Outlook version, you may be able to place the reading pane on the right, move it to the bottom, or turn it off entirely. Choosing the right side layout can be helpful if you like seeing more vertical space in your message list. The bottom layout can work well if you prefer a wider reading area. And if you want a cleaner inbox view with no preview at all, turning the reading pane off may be the best option for you. As you switch between layouts, Outlook usually applies the change right away, so you can immediately see which one feels best. A good tip here is to test each option for a moment before deciding. The best layout often depends on your screen size, how many emails you handle each day, and whether you focus more on scanning messages quickly or reading them in detail. And that's it. Once you've selected the layout you prefer, your Outlook preview pane will be updated. This is a simple change, but it can make a big difference in how comfortable and productive your email experience feels.